Prendi lo che pota busca.
Tenet è compagnia che representa Ava Airways internacionalmente de parte de marketing y ya acaba e promocionan corriendo de manera impresionante na Estados Unidos.
Well, no se sale riba Tenet su website on the US Today, quizás a pick it up, pero ito vai bem mais hot. Paso é companhia que nós duna é contract. Basically, they are going now to develop our brand. And the brand that they're going to develop is on international innovation standards. So obviously it's going to create excitement in the marketplace because our PR firm is going to bring it out and it's going to go from one step to the next step to the third step, and then it's just going to evolve because Ava Airways is evolving. What we wish, what I have dreamed about is for us to do this together collectively as a country. And the sad thing about it is that this ministry or this government doesn't support what we are trying to do because of personal references or personal feeling against maybe my president Giovanni Atalita, maybe against me. I don't care about that. We don't care about that. What we care about is our brothers and sisters having equal opportunity to develop whatever they desire. So we are happy about our partnerships in America. We're happy about our partnerships in Europe. We're happy about our partnerships all over because that's what Ava Airways is. Ava Airways is an international form company to deliver a multinational, fashion-forward urban airline for the entire Caribbean can be proud of, headquartered and based in Curacao.
Para finalizar, nós estamos muito interessados para tu aqui que a promoção internacional que a Ava Airways está haciendo e de repente imaginamos que o governo de Corsou me senenga boso permite. Esa aqui não lo pone boso de parte negativo que tu resultan que você anda sendo tratado, Gabo?
Well, in order for the government to deny us an economic permit, which they sign a bilateral agreement with St. Martin, Aruba, indicating that they're going to make things much easier for airlines, it will be a oxymoron, a very beautiful case in court. So you have to have a very good reason, you know. So I know how to play chess, and chess is a mind game, and I think that I'm pretty much intelligent to that fact. So we will just wait and see. We don't believe in fighting again, like I'm saying, but sometimes it's good to hold people accountable for their actions. And I'm just saying that the minister should not continue to take biased advice from her advisors, because part of her advisors used to be part of me. So therefore it's biased. What she should do is hire a collective team of people that can sit down collectively for us to look at this thing beneficially to Curacao. And that's just the point moving forward. Like I said, I have nothing against the minister. I don't even know her. I think she could be my mother. She's way older than me. So I have a lot of respect for her. This is just to show you it's a fight between the seniority and the young entrepreneurs of Curacao and around the Caribbean that are being segregated. We are the future of these countries. So if you segregate us, you shall not have progress when you become a senior citizen. And this is all that we're saying. It's time for us to stop the crab in a bucket mentality, and it's time for us to get together and build this country. There are people that are hungry, and this is the point that Ava Airways is looking at. Economic development for our country as well.